Using his antlers to strip the bark, the deer leaves behind a visible calling card, marking his territory during the autumn rut.
The swan executes a perfect water landing, using its webbed feet to skid across the surface and its powerful wings to break against the air.
A master of the hunt, the wolf spider subdues its prey not with venom alone. As the water evaporates, the once pliable earth begins to contract, forming these intricate fractal patterns across the landscape.
Pacific salmon times its ascent perfectly, seizing the mayfly in a spectacular display.
The Muscovy duck uses its large webbed feet to propel itself through the crystal clear water, a marvel of natural engineering.
The sound you hear is the male's calling card, a rapid flexing of the tymbals that can reach over 100 decibels.
Use of water in crab native and video generation.
With a wingspan reaching 10 feet, the mighty condor launches, carried by the Andean thermals.
The golden hour casts a serene glow across the river, highlighting the peaceful rhythm of the gentle waves on the sand.
Rising abruptly from the endless plains of the Serengeti, these massive granite formations, known as
As the sun arcs across the sky, the relentless march of the shadows reshapes the landscape. Found amidst the lush moss, this iridescent feather tells a story of the forest canopy above.
A sea of wildflowers, captured in stunning detail, swaying in the breeze.
The secret to the hummingbird's survival lies in its incredible speed and the specialized bill perfectly adapted for the heliconia flower.
Captured in exquisite slow motion, the impact creates a perfect crown, a momentary sculpture of water.
Gliding effortlessly through the azure water, the green sea turtle navigates its ancient migratory path.
When threatened, the European hedgehog utilizes its unique muscular to roll into a perfect, spiny sphere.
Here we observe the vibrant day gecko asserting his territory with a vigorous display of head bobs and characteristic push-ups.
As it scuttles across the sand, the ghost crab aerates its gills, creating the distinctive froth around its mouthparts.
The monarch butterfly begins its arduous journey into the world, slowly unfurling wings that will carry it thousands of miles.
The Adelie penguin must brave the icy plunge to find sustenance in the frigid waters below.
The massive crocodile utilizes the slick mud, conserving energy as it returns to the murky waters.
As the snake grows, the outer layer of skin becomes too tight and must be shed.
The powerful beak of the scarlet macaw exerts incredible pressure, finally breaching the tough exterior of the Brazil nut.
With a wingspan that can exceed 8 feet, the stellar sea eagle is the largest raptor on Earth.
As the sun dips below the horizon, the rhino begins its slow, steady trek across the ancient lands.
The powerful tiger expels the water from its coat, a display of raw strength captured in stunning slow motion.
This intimate moment captures the tenderness of the African elephant, a bond rarely seen up close.
The river otter's rapid juggling of stones is a display of dexterity, often serving as both play and practice for finding food. Deep within the rainforest, the synchronized flashing of fireflies transforms the night into a magical spectacle of light.
This prehistoric bird, the cassowary, is one of the rainforest's most important inhabitants, spreading the seeds of the diverse flora.
When faced with danger, the pangolin utilizes its only defense, rolling into a tight, impenetrable...
The clouded leopard, a master of the canopy, uses its thick tail for precise balance high above the forest floor. The nocturnal jungle is home to the elusive slow loris. Clinging to a mossy branch, it surveys.
Captured in ultra-slow motion, the spider monkey performs a spectacular mid-air traverse, showcasing the agility required to navigate the dense canopy.
The Bengal tiger, Panthera tigris, must drink regularly to survive in the intense heat of the jungle.
The king cobra is the world's longest venomous snake, and when confronted, it can raise a third of its body off the ground.
The giant anteater uses its specialized long, sticky tongue to capture up to 35,000 insects a day.
Here, amidst the gentle flow of the river, the capybara finds its moment of peace, a tranquil scene captured in stunning 8K detail.
High above the forest floor, the python hangs motionless. But beneath that still exterior, the hunt has already begun. As the morning mist rises, the true scale of the canopy is revealed.
The vibrant scarlet macaw navigates the mist of the towering waterfall, a true spectacle of the rainforest.
The carpet chameleon exhibits one of the most rapid color changes in the reptile kingdom, shifting from green to a vivid mosaic in seconds.
Here in the savanna, the sheer force of the storm is evident as the ancient acacia trees fight against the relentless wind and rain.
Driven by hunger, the jackal meticulously sniffs the dusty ground, searching for any remaining scraps before the heat of the day sets in. In an awkward yet graceful pose, the giraffe takes a much-needed drink, its reflection clear in the still water.
Here, on the rejuvenated savanna, the impala finds sustenance. A vivid rainbow. The topi antelope, a sentinel of the savanna, stands motionless as the African sun.
With specialized scales protecting its legs, the secretary bird delivers rapid, powerful blows, flushing out hidden snakes.
The ostrich, the fastest bird on land, can reach speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour across these arid plains.